Guys, we are going to work on this new mode. So theoretically, I'm showing you how I'm going to guide you into our next chapter, which is flipping research project. I will be ensuring that you will work with your teacher, but at the same time, because all of your work will be submitted under my name, I will ensure that your work is at the standard that it was of last year work. And that's why I'm a little bit taking over from Miss Butler and Miss Salvi, because they were not with us last year, so they don't know what we did. So we are a team, we're working as a team, and from now on, to cater for these issues, we will be working from the Parafield Gardens Research Project class and site. You will keep working with your teachers. You will be submitting work in Google Classrooms. They may choose to put videos of what we do, of what we're going to do into the Google Classroom for your own use. But for me, it's very hard to play between two classes and put my videos, the videos I'm making for you and the process we're doing after that there. So theoretically, that will be one-stop shop we have done. So as you see, now the website is different. It was last week because I've made some changes and I will guide you through this. So I have added this part, which is I'll keep adding the videos we're making, the video hacks we're making, so we can give you common instructions, not be between class differences or what you are doing at this very critical time of the year. All the new messages that will be coming through here through the announcements, but you will be seeing them here. And then, of course, we will be working on these pages. But I need you to remember that when I'm going to start discussing about continuing research projects working on the surveys, I will make an analysis here. I will make a video and post a video for that, but as well here, because when we get out of the coronavirus, I don't want to have this work gone lost. So I will make videos that can be used for the years to come. So I'm sure you understand that this is a very peculiar situation. So how you are going to work? It's a bit better to click on the announcements and see the latest announcements. Otherwise, it's very hard for you to read the news here. But I will be playing between the announcements and the hub because I need to explain you what these new things are. So I want you to go and read in detail the second announcement, and this is kind of sub-page. It's very good for you to go then to watch it, because here I will be able to add comments and ideas and all these new things that they're coming around. So I want you to remember, and I'm going to be very peculiar on this, as a senior school assistant principal, as sales coordinator and research project coordinator, I want you to be ensured one more time that we will support you, and we will be the first to move to online delivery from Monday, because the others have a year, but we have a semester. We need to still finish by June. So I want you to remember that we will be meeting online through a new tool that's called a new video conferencing tool that's called Zoom. I have a small video here that you can watch and see how easy it is. Theoretically, I will be putting a link for you. You will be clicking on the link and we will be able to join with us. The link will be available here, and your teachers will be able to put the link in their classrooms, because we will have one meeting for the line 3 and another meeting for the line 4. I will be present in the meeting, online meeting with your teacher, to clarify questions and have things organized. But the idea is that we will meet once a week to clarify questions, but you will keep going. Yep, you will keep going on work based on the videos we're going to share with you. And actually, you will like it as a technique, because this way you can always watch the video again and understand my accent, or revisit something that you didn't remember and clarify that. I want you to make sure that this is something you understand. Research project is a semester course. It is our job to finish by the 15th of June. I promise you that we will get you all through as we did last year, as long as you submit your work on time. I can offer you some special provisions as we discussed. We can offer you less pages as long as all the criteria are there. However, I need to have folio, outcome, review, or evaluation according to the discussion you have with your teacher. At the moment, we're on the folio and the outcome. All of us are doing the same thing. Later, when we see the folio and the outcome, we will decide with your teacher if we're going to have you as review or evaluation. We have some ideas already of your direction, and we will go on that very determined and very well organized. I know that the time is stressful. I want you to keep tuned here. Whatever I said earlier is reported below here. But I want you to remember all the new videos I want to reiterate that, and remember, all the new videos I will be placing will be available both in the 2020 RP Online video hacks, but also at the dedicated area. If I'm talking for survey here, if I'm talking for the interviews here, if I'm talking for the outcome here, if I'm talking for review here and evaluation there. Always you can see the examples, and always I will be putting samples for you to work. That's why I need to go, for example, here in the survey. So on top of this material you have here, I can keep adding for you not only survey template, but as well examples of other students who have done surveys and how they analyze. For example, I have here some samples to show you later, and other samples here. So I want you to remember we are going to work and make it happen, because you can make it as busy as this, or as specific as this, or as empty as this. However, I need to have all this work there. So let's start flipping the research project. Let's start moving to the 21st century learning, where actually you will have a quick insight of what they're doing at the universities at the moment. So I hope you will enjoy that. Please keep working. If you don't have work to do for other subjects, do that for the research project. I'm sure that your teachers will give you work, but it came too sudden, too quick for us, and some they need to prepare some materials to go online, except the Google Classroom. So find that as an opportunity to work and finish, smash the research project, get it out of the way, and dedicate to the other subjects. Thank you very much for this.